Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, ICN Noor Academy. Let's start the assembly with Surah al Fatihah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Thank you very much, Musa. That was excellent. Now let's keep learning what the meaning is. We start with Bismillah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'een. That means all praise is for Allah, the owner and master of all the worlds, the most loving and generous and the most merciful, ruler of the day of judgment. It is only you we pray to, and only you we ask for help. And the next ayah is Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. That means guide us to the straight path. Now, as we learn the meaning of Surah al Fatihah, I'd like you to do something. I'd like you to also think about the words that you are learning. And I'd like you to notice how beautiful this prayer is. And I'd like you to remember this is part of your religion of Islam. Your religion is beautiful. And it's very important that you and me, we all understand this. Your homework for this week is this. I'm going to send this to you in your email or your class tag, and I'd like you to print it out. I'd like you to put it up on the wall where you work. And every day, once a day, either read it or have your mom and dad read it with you. It's very important that we know the meaning of something that we recite so many times every day. Okay, inshallah, I'll see who has done it next time. Okay, it's time for the name jar. Let's see who recites Surah al Fatihah next. Inshallah, it's going to be Noor. Hey, congratulations, Noor. We hope to see you next week. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.